What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're starting this year with another Idiots in Cars episode. I hope you had some time to relax and to spend some quality time with your families, and also thank you for all the best wishes. Reading your comments was pure enjoyment and I loved it. So yeah, thank you very much again for your amazing support, it really means the world to me. And if you're ready, it is time for us to power on with this video for the first time in 2023. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Oh, our guy here technically is not driving, he's sailing a boat. I don't know if this is a stupid or a brave thing. You guys be the judge. Let's see here. Come on now, power! Oh. Ah, this is why women live longer. Whack! Oh! Meanwhile in Slapistan, that one looked personal to me. I don't know. Whoa, these two woke up today and chose violence. What the hell is that? The gloves are really off. Oh, at least leave others out of that. Dearie me. That was a wild ride. Ovi igraju boćanje automobilima. And here comes the BMW and... I'm going to hell for laughing at this. Definitely. That looked to me like that sport when they push those stones on ice. I don't know what's it called. But it's exactly like that. Winter Wonderland. Definitely. Come on, Lexus, give it some beans.
Oh my god.
If the bus can do it, nobody can. Come on, you're almost there. Come on, power! Come on! Use all of your weights, come on! Push! And we're gonna say he made it, so we're moving on. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oof. That was close. And if that was me, I would have definitely invented some new swear words. For sure. But anyways, on to the next one. Oh, I see those two are using all of the horses they bought. Speed, baby! No, 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 no! Whoa, actually, that was good. Nice 360. And now he's probably going to brag to his friends how he meant to do that. He totally did. Whoa! Press F for that sign. Bro slipped on banana peel. Oh, hello there, Mustang. Mustang plus rain plus speed. This can only go well. Oh, there we go. Hold it, bruh. Hold it. I see some taillights wiggling. Hold it. And yes. He did it, boys. Given the conditions and the vehicle he was in, this went very good. Oh, Happy New Year once again, guys. I see some fireworks. This is not safe at all, but some people decided that it's a good idea. I don't know why. Oh, that one was close. Whoa, that one was real close. Now I would be pissed off. If you want to do this, fine, but don't damage other people's cars. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Is this a movie set? Dearie me. So many things were going on, and our dashcam guy somehow managed to avoid it all. Good for him. Whoa, Merc is a little bit confused. And he once again love tabs the curb. 10 things science can't explain. This is one of them. But anyways, let's get on a power, and a little bit too much power it looks like. Hold it, bro. Oh, unfortunately it wasn't so clean, but he made a 360, so still counts. We'll let it pass. Whoa, free snow removal on a highway and on the go. Oh, I hear some angry horsepower in the distance, and it sounds like they're approaching. That was a hard hit. Hey, yo, don't run away. Like, moving on. Oh, look at this little cute car. Come on, little buddy. We are rooting for ya. May the speed and power be with you on your journey. Look at him go. How, bro? How? Is he gonna make it? Is he floating or he's touching the ground? That's the question here. And it looks like he made it. That's the most impressive thing I've seen since this morning. Oh, hello there, Fast and Furious BRZ. Whoa. Nice reflexes, bruh. Good reaction. Defensive driving at its finest. That was a nice move. That's why you have to pay attention all of the time, because most of them just don't really care. Oh, look at that mini truck. Is that a milk truck or the postal one? Oh, well, it doesn't matter anymore. But in any case, I love how it looks. It's a nice little thing. Oh, smile for the camera. That was once, that was twice. You're getting double dingleberry ticket for being a double dingleberry. Let's move on. What the hell was that on the road? Take it easy, hold it. Nice. That was probably some kind of furniture in the middle of the road. I don't know why it's there, but it is what it is. Oh, we are losing traction a little bit. And into the ditch you go. I'm not trying to play the general after the battle, but the ice was clearly there and he was driving way too fast. No! Whack! You win stupid games, you play stupid prizes. Or it's the other way around. I messed up there. Whoa! He was like, oh no, I forgot something, I need to turn around real quick. And he's back on track. I don't blame him. Ain't nothing wrong with having a little bit of fun on the snow. It's always nice. Come on, Spio! How he didn't see him? What the hell is wrong with people? I feel bad for the guy who got hit. Meanwhile, in 1700s. Good thing they have dash cams. So they can film some minivans. That minivan went berserk. Oh, nice and easy, slow and steady. No, and a small pole position. That was a small stick, but we'll call it a small pole position. Hey, yo, don't block the view. Everything's looking good. Good job, buddy. Carry on. Oh no. Oof. I don't know why or how some people just randomly put their cars in reverse and then they hit a throttle and then they don't even realize they're going in reverse. That's mind-blowing to me. Come on, Maserati, hold it. You can do it. 2 drops of pee came out. Right there. In his car, of course. Whoa, that was close. You gotta be more careful. And yeah, that Maserati guy was like, ha, I'm gonna use some power, or maybe I'm not. Good thing he backed off in time. I mean, it's good to know your limits, right? Alright, let's see here. Bro's controller disconnected. Oh, hello there, Sheriff. Howdy. Oh, that was a cheeky move. He would have probably given a ticket to someone for this, but he won't even apologize. I mean, that's at least you can do. Let's see here. Come on, Audi, go for it. Or maybe not. It's the worst thing ever when someone can decide to go or not to go. It's so frustrating to watch sometimes. Hey, yo, minivan. Minivan of doom, chill out. You don't have to do that. If you missed your exit, just deal with it, you know, but not this way, the proper way. And why is this car looking like a crash dummy? It has that livery. Why? Is this a Corvette maybe? Actually, the real why here is, why did you stop in the middle of the road? Oh, that's bad. That's on a dash cam, guy or girl, whoever was driving. Oh, hello there, green wheels Subaru. That's next time, don't like pictures on Instagram and you'll be good to go. No more love taps on the road. But no, seriously, the people are way too distracted. And it's scary sometimes. So, yo! Don't violate my mirror like that. Here's another genius driving god. Who can tell the difference between ice and dry road, but whatever. Ooh, this is a heavy rain here. Let's see. And the bro is like, power! Damn. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and sorry because my voice is still messed up. I was singing way too much, but it is what it is. I hope you understand, and also please leave a like and a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already, of course. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.